Are you tired of juggling multiple apps to take notes, manage tasks, and collaborate on projects? Well, meet Notion, the all-in-one productivity tool that's changing how people organize their personal and professional lives. In this video, we'll explore what Notion is, how it works, and why it has become one of the most powerful apps for creators, students, and teams around the world. So, what exactly is Notion? In simple terms, it's a flexible digital workspace that combines notes, documents, tasks, databases, and collaboration all in one place. Imagine a single app where you can do everything. Whether you're planning your next YouTube video, tracking your study progress for exams, managing a complex team project, or even just writing a simple report, Notion lets you do it all seamlessly. It's designed to be the one workspace for everything you do, adapting to your specific needs instead of forcing you into a rigid structure. Now, let's explore some of Notion's most powerful features that make it so unique. First up, blocks and pages. Everything you create in Notion is built using blocks. A block can be a piece of text, an image, a to-do list, a table, or even an embedded video from YouTube. The magic is in how easily you can move them around. Just drag and drop these blocks to organize your thoughts and structure your pages exactly how you want. This modular approach makes creating and rearranging content incredibly intuitive. Next, we have databases and views. This is where Notion truly shines and sets itself apart from traditional note-taking apps. Instead of just simple lists, Notion lets you create powerful, structured databases. You can then view that same database in multiple ways. See your tasks as a simple table, switch to a calendar view to see deadlines, organize them on a Kanban board to track progress, or display them in a beautiful gallery. This is perfect for task tracking, content calendars, project schedules, and so much more. The ability to switch views on the fly gives you the ultimate flexibility to see your information in the context that makes the most sense. Working with a team, Notion makes collaboration a breeze. You can easily share pages or entire workspaces with others, assign tasks to team members with due dates, and leave comments in real time right on the page. Everyone stays on the same page, literally, which reduces confusion and keeps projects moving forward smoothly. If you're worried about starting from a blank slate, don't be. Notion has a massive library of thousands of free templates for almost anything you can imagine. From content calendars and study plans to habit trackers and recipe books, there's a template to get you started in seconds. You can also customize them or build your own from scratch. And of course, your workspace goes wherever you go. Notion is available on your computer, phone, and tablet, and everything stays perfectly synced across all your devices. Start writing an idea on your phone during your commute, and it'll be ready for you on your laptop when you get to your desk. Last but certainly not least is Notion AI. This is a game changer. Integrated directly into your workspace, Notion AI can help you summarize long meeting notes, brainstorm ideas for a blog post, generate an entire outline for a project, or even rewrite your text to have a more professional tone. It's like having a smart assistant right inside your notes, ready to boost your creativity and productivity. Now, with all these features, why do millions of people absolutely love Notion? The reasons are clear. First, it's incredibly flexible. You can use it as a simple notebook, a daily planner, a team wiki, or a full-blown project management hub. It adapts to you, not the other way around. Second, it's highly customizable. You can design beautiful dashboards that match your personal workflow perfectly, add cover images, icons, and arrange your pages to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Third, it's built for collaboration. The real-time sharing and editing features make it an indispensable tool for teams that need to work together efficiently, and perhaps the biggest advantage, it replaces multiple apps. For many users, Notion becomes their single source of truth, replacing separate apps for notes, tasks, documents, and calendars. This simplifies your digital life and saves you money. Finally, with the addition of Notion AI, your productivity gets a serious creative boost, helping you overcome writer's block and work smarter, not harder. Of course, no tool is perfect, and Notion does have a few limitations to be aware of. Because it's so flexible, it can feel a bit overwhelming for new users at first. There is a bit of a learning curve to understand how blocks, pages, and databases all fit together. Also, while the desktop experience is fantastic, the mobile app isn't always as smooth or as fast. It's great for viewing and making quick edits, but complex database management can be tricky on a smaller screen. Lastly, its offline mode is still a bit limited compared to some other dedicated note-taking apps. While you can work on pages you've recently opened, you may need an internet connection to access your entire workspace. But for most users, these are minor hurdles, and the initial learning effort is well worth the reward. So, how are people actually using Notion in the real world? It's used by people in nearly every field. Students use it for taking detailed lecture notes, embedding slides, and organizing all their study schedules and assignments in one place. Content creators, like me, use it for planning video scripts, tracking our content pipeline from idea to publication, and managing collaborations with brands. Teams and companies of all sizes use it for managing complex workflows, building product roadmaps, creating internal wikis, and sharing important documentation. And individuals use it for everything in their personal lives, from journaling and habit tracking to planning vacations and managing personal goals. The possibilities are truly endless. So, to wrap it all up, whether you're an individual looking to bring more focus and organization into your life, or a team striving for better collaboration and efficiency, Notion gives you the building blocks to create your own perfect productivity system. It might take a little time to get the hang of it, but once you do, you'll realize it as not just another app, it as a powerful new way to work, plan, and think. It empowers you to build the tools you need, exactly the way you want them. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please give this video a like and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.